Hey YouTube, welcome to part 6 of my 80 booster pack opening. We'll go ahead and just jump right in. Especially since the last part was not that great. Hoping maybe I'll get a redemption or something. Some nice card. Would be nice. Emolga, Cillian, Raichu, Staryu, Mindfu, Kricketot, Sneasel, Cubchoo, Growlithe, number 10. Do I need to? No, what? Okay, apparently there's another one of these. Alright, and a Zapdos Holo, that's cool. Another Zapdos Holo. Two, three. Pokemon Center. Vanillish, Cillian, Growlithe, Sneasel, Pidove, Bronzor, Pansear, Ralts Reverse, number 85. Already have that. And another Darmanitan, cool. Good card to sell or trade away. Two, three. Hit a Heavy Ball, Mineshoe, Nuzleaf, Mindfu, Shinx, Pidove, Litwick, Growlithe, Scraggy Reverse, which I have, right? Yeah. And a Zekrom Full Art, which I didn't even see in the background of it. Wow. That is amazing right there. It's a good pull. That's pretty awesome. Zekrom EX Full Art. Wicked. I'm happy by that. I do not have that one, so bam, third full art. Need to find my top loader. Ugh, there we go. Good pull. I'm happy. This part has redeemed itself. Hope I'll keep up my luck. Hippowdon, Scraggy, Arcanine, Cubchoo, Pansage, Grimer, Meowth, Blitzel. Got a Frillish Reverse, number 834. I have that as well. And a Jellicent. A jelly face with a beard on it. Such a weird card. 1, 2, 3. Alright, what do we got? Lapras, Basculin, Curlia, Riolu, Shinx, Hippopotas, Staryu, Mindfu, Vanillite Reverse, number 31, which I did have that, and a Simisage. Oopsies. Frillish, Dubcarless, Jigglypuff, Meow, Blitzel, Pansage, Shinx, Pansear, Wigglytuff Reverse, number 79. I have that as well, and a Simisear. Besides that Zekrom, I haven't gotten too much in reverses that I need. Basculin, Scraggy, Starmie, Vanillite, Kricketot, Ralts, Meowth, Blitzel, yeah, Luxio, number is that? 45? Oh, nope. And Arcanine. We get a Cricketune, Minccino, Jigglypuff, Pikachu, Growlithe, Bronzor, Ferroseed, Cubchoo, number 7, which I have, and yes, a Regigigas EX. I'm actually really happy about that pull. It is one of the EXs, normal EXs, that I do not have. And that means all I have left for the EX ones, the non-full art ones, are Mewtwo and Kyurem. That is very nice. It's a good pull. Go ahead and get a top loader out. I have been top loading the hollows just because I have so many hollows. I'm just going to figure something out else for them for the time being, since they're all going to be traded away anyways. I don't want to use brand new top loaders for them. Obviously, when I trade or sell them away, I will put them in top loaders, but that will be then. Alright, we got a Pokemon Center, Lampent, Hippowdon, Litwick, Growlithe, Sneasel, Pikachu, Growlithe, Shiftry, number 72, Reverse, and then a Wigglytuff. So this part, probably my best part so far. Definitely. Not sure how I can match up to this part, but that Mewtwo, that would be awesome in another part. We got Double Carlos, Lapras, Heavy Ball, Z-Dot, got a Hippopotas, Mindfu, Shinx, Pidove, get a Cubchoo Reverse, which I have, and a Wigglytuff again. So overall, great pulls in this part. Got a Regigigas EX and a Zekrom EX, which is probably one of my favorite full arts in the set. I love the blue. Blue's my favorite color, so yeah. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for part 7. Only got 20 packs left, guys, so running out, but hopefully we'll get some good pulls. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to comment and subscribe.